Hey guys, this is Sam with Larry H. Miller Volkswagen Service of Tucson, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a service appointment online with our online scheduler. Alrighty guys, so the first thing we're going to do is open up the Chrome browser, and then we're going to type in vwtucson.com. Go ahead and search that. It's going to pull up our page, and from there the first thing we're going to do is navigate down to the Service button. We're going to click the Service button, and the first side under Service is Schedule Service. We'll click that, and then we'll just move our mouse down a little bit down to Ready to Schedule Service. Then it's going to prompt you with a couple of questions regarding if you've been here or not. You can use your Volkswagen account to log in if you have one. We can find you if you've been in here before based on your phone number or your confirmation code. Or we can just do you're new here. The first question it'll start with is what make you have. We can click on this drop-down menu to pick the make. We have other here so that you can bring in any other vehicle aside from a Volkswagen. And then the year. We click on the year to find out that we have a 2017 Volkswagen. Then we're going to hit Get Started. From there, it'll bring up a page with all the models for Volkswagen. You can pick which one is yours. We have a Beetle, so we're going to click Beetle. Then it's going to ask us about the trim of the vehicle. We can pick any of the predestined choices. In this instance, we have the Dune hatchback. And then we can type in the mileage of the vehicle. And we have 10,000. Then we're going to go down to the bottom of the page and hit Next. It's going to pull up a page here that shows which plan you have. We can do the Volkswagen Care Plan if you bought that, or we can go with the factory recommended maintenance. We're going to do factory recommended maintenance today. From there you can add which package you'd like. We're going to add the factory required. Then it'll pop up with a window for individual services, things that are not included in the package, like an alignment, an air conditioning service, or even a cabin filter exchange. We're going to pick a cabin filter exchange. This is going to bring you to our actual scheduler for the appointment. You can click on any advisor, or you can choose the advisor that you were with last time. It has a couple of pictures in case you don't remember. Then you can pick if you're going to be waiting or dropping off, or even taking a shuttle. In this instance, we're going to use our shuttle service. Then it'll ask you for your appointment time when you'd like to come in. We are open every day of the week except Sunday. All we need left is just going to be your contact information, and then hit the Book It button, and you're good to go. Make sure when you're all done to favorite us and bookmark us. And again, this was in Chrome.